Hey guys, what's up? Hope y'all are doing great today. So today we'll be checking out this 500 amp jump starter for your car. First off, let's unbox it and see what's inside. The brand is called Gooloo. This is perfect to have for emergencies. You could jump start your car yourself if there's nobody to give you a jump start. It also comes with a nice durable carrying case. Let's open it up. Here is the jump starter and the clamps. If you guys want to purchase this, I'll leave a link in the description below. They feel really sturdy. Let me know what you guys think about them in the comments. These are your indicator lights. Once you have the clamps connected to the jump starter and battery, it will show a green light if it's connected properly. And this is your micro USB charging cable. Now here's a closer look at the device itself. It's very small and lightweight. What do you guys think about the design? On the right side, you have your power button and LED battery indicator lights. At the top, you have a flashlight, 2 USB charging ports to charge your phone or tablet, and the charging port to charge the device itself. This is where you plug in the clamps. You can jumpstart cars, SUVs, tractors, and more. Once you turn it on, you'll see the battery indicator lights in blue. The flashlight comes with 3 different modes. Just press the power button to go through them. In all, it's very convenient. You don't have to get a stranger to give your car a jump. If this video was helpful, please share it with a friend, give it a like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you guys. Peace out.